Bob Boldt HVAC offers comprehensive furnace services in Eagan, MN, designed to keep your home warm and comfortable throughout the chilly Minnesota winters. With years of experience, our skilled technicians specialize in furnace installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement for both residential and commercial properties. For reliable furnace services in Eagan, MN, trust Bob Boldt HVAC to keep your heating system running smoothly. Call our furnace service team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a furnace service near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What furnace services do you offer? We provide comprehensive furnace services, including installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement. Our technicians work with all major furnace brands and models to ensure your heating needs are met effectively and efficiently. Can you help me choose an energy-efficient furnace? Yes, we can recommend energy-efficient models that suit your home size and heating requirements, helping you save on utility bills while staying comfortable. What is your service area for Eagan, Minnesota? Our furnace service has helped clients in Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota furnace service office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.